Here's problem 1720. Do not try the following, it could kill you. This question is only about hypothetical possibility. If you were standing below an object falling at terminal velocity, as it approached you, you would hear the sound what? Alright, so let's say some kind of object is approaching you at terminal velocity, and that is the source, so it has the velocity of the source. You are below it, listening to it, and the velocity of the observer then is 0 because you're standing still. So the observed frequency will equal the actual frequency put out by the source, velocity of sound plus or minus velocity of the observer u over the velocity of sound minus or plus the velocity of the source. In this case, the source is moving at terminal velocity. What does that mean? Well, that means that the weight of this object, which is mg, is being balanced by the air frictional force, so that there is actually no acceleration, and hence it has reached a maximum speed based on that. So the terminal velocity is a constant velocity. So Vs is constant at terminal velocity. Hence, our observed frequency is going to equal the actual frequency, velocity of sound plus or minus 0 for the velocity of the observer, because that's going to be 0. And we're going to be moving toward for the source. So in the denominator, we're going to have velocity of sound minus the velocity of the source. But all these things are going to be constant. The velocity of the source is constant, so is the velocity of sound. So this observed frequency is going to be constant the whole time. It will stay the same because the velocity of the source is constant, and so is the velocity of the observer. So it will stay at the same frequency the whole time that you are listening to it.